In this quick video, I will show you how to sell Pi tokens step by step. So the first step is to go to huobi.com, then log in using your account. So unfortunately, you cannot deposit Pi token, and you can see it here. Click deposit, click here, and then type down Pi. And as you can see, Pi network has been suspended for depositing, and you cannot deposit Pi token into huobi.com. But if you already have a Pi token in your Huobi wallet, you can just go to trade here, click spot, and then on the search bar, type down Pi token, then click here, scroll down, and you will see here the sell Pi. So type down the amount of Pi token you want to sell, for example, 10 Pi, and then if you want to set your price at a higher price, you can set your price here. For example, 50 USDT. Then you will receive this amount of USDT. Then once you have typed down the amount of Pi token you want to sell, just click sell Pi here, and then just go back to your wallet to check if you have received the USDT. If you have any questions about how to sell Pi token, leave a comment below.